RNA compound and vitamin B3 bound in samples from near Earth asteroid. The graphic shows some of the molecules found in samples taken from the asteroid Ryukyu by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency's Hayabusa 2 mission. CNN organic molecules have been detected in samples collected by Japan's Hayabusa 2 mission from the near Earth asteroid Ryukyu. When researchers analyzed the samples collected from two different locations on the asteroid, they found uracil, one of the building blocks of RNA, as well as vitamin B3 or niacin, a key cofactor for metabolism in living organisms. Uracil is a nucleobase or the nitrogen containing compound. It is one of five nucleobases in DNA and RNA, the proteins and molecules that contain genetic information and instructions crucial for the cells of living organisms. A study detailing the findings published Tuesday in the journal Nature Communications. Ryukyu is a carbon-rich diamond-shaped asteroid that measures about 3,000 feet, 1 kilometer wide. Hayabusa 2 was the first mission to return a subsurface sample from the asteroid to Earth. The Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency mission collected one sample from the asteroid's surface in February 2019, then fired a Cooper bullet into the asteroid to create the 33-foot, 10-meter wide impact crater. A sample was collected from this crater in July 2019. Then Hayabusa 2 flew by Earth and dropped the sample off in Australia in December 2020. In earlier in earlier analysis, the researchers detected amino acid and other molecules in Ryugyu's samples, while uracil and niacin have also been found in meteorite that landed on Earth. Scientists have previously found nuclear bases and vitamins in certain carbon-rich meteorite, but there was always the questions about contamination by exposure to the Earth's environment, said lead study author Yasuhiro Oba, associate professor at Hokkaido University in Japan. In a statement, since the Hayabusa 2 spacecraft collected two samples directly from asteroid Ryugu and delivered them to Earth in sealed capsules, contamination can be ruled out. Building blocks of life in space. The researchers discovered the molecules when they soaked particles collected from Ryugu in hot water and analyzed the result using different observational methods such as liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry. Scientists work with samples collected from two different sites in the near Earth asteroid Ryugu. Then the team detected the signatures of uracil, niacin, and the other organic compounds containing nitrogen. Other biological molecules were found in the sample as well, including a selection of amino acid, amines, and carboxyl acid, which are found in proteins and metabolism, respectively, Oba said. Together, the findings from Ryugyu's samples so far add to the increasing evidence that the building blocks of the life originated in space and were originally delivered to Earth billions of years ago by meteorite. The molecules likely originally formed through photochemical reactions in the ice in outer space before our solar system then existed, Boba said. Further study of asteroid composition. The concentrations of molecules in the two samples were different, but that's likely due to exposure to the harsh environment of space. It's possible that Ryugu was once part of the larger celestial body like a comet, but before it was broken apart into pieces by collisions with other space objects. It is no doubt that our biologically important molecules such as amino acid and nuclear bases in asteroids meteorite have been provided to the Earth. Oba said, in particular, we expect they might play a role for prebiotic evolution on the early Earth. It's also possible that as space rocks smashed into other planets in our solar system, they might have been carrying some of the same building blocks of life. I cannot say the presence of such ingredient directly lead to their emergence, presence of extraterrestrial life, but at least their component, such as amino acid and nuclear bases, may be present everywhere in space, Oba said. Now the researchers want to know how common these molecules are in asteroid. Fortunately, a sample from another asteroid named Bennu will be delivered to Earth in September by NASA's Origins Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security Regolith Explorer or Orisis Rex spacecraft. The discovery of uracil in the samples from Ryugu lends strength to current theories regarding the source of nuclear bases in the early Earth. Oba said the Orisis Rex mission by NASA will be returning samples from asteroid Bennu this year, and the comparative study of the composition of this asteroid will provide further study to build on these theories.